Good morning, class. Welcome to your English class. So let's continue with the chapter Noida Boy Climbs Peak. So let's begin. I have climbed Mount Everest and now would like to go to the North and South Pole. I would also like to climb the 12 remaining highest peaks in the world, he told the Times of in an interview. In an interview with the Times of India, Arjun told them that he had climbed Mount Everest and after that he would like to go to the North and South Pole and he would like to climb the rest of the 12 highest peaks in the world. So next, right now, however, his parents just want him back home. I did not sleep at all last night, waiting for Arjun's call, Mother Priya Vajpayee said. Just hearing his voice was such a relief. At the same time, I could not control my emotions. It is a memorable time of my life. My son is fulfilling my dreams. As it was long time passed, now Arjun's parents want his child to come back to home. His father said, my son will be returning to base camp tomorrow and will be in Noida by Tuesday, said Priya, whose image Arjun has been carrying with him for inspiration through his grueling climbs in the death zone above 8,000 meters. Arjun had carried his mother photo with him, whose image always inspired him. I told him not to hurry coming down the peak, said his father, Captain Sanjeev Vajpayee. Here, his father, Captain Sanjeev Vajpayee, is counting time. He was excited and desperate to meet his child. He said he told his son not to hurry on coming down the peak on Friday phone while talking to his son, because of which he did not took the photograph of Mount Everest. But now he was excited as he took photographs from Mount Lhotse, said his father. Arjun's sister Gauri said the teenager first got interested in mountaineering when he went to Pune. He had gone to visit his grandmother in Pune when he first started trekking in the Sahyadri Hills. He got addicted to the feeling of being on the top of the world. Later, Arjun enrolled for a course in mountaineering at the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Trainers were recognized his potential and encouraged him to aim for Everest. Sister of Arjun was Gauri, who said when her brother went to visit their grandmother in Pune, there he first got interested in the mountaineering and from where he first started trekking in the Sahyadri Hills. He got habitual to climb the peaks of the world. After that, he did a course in mountaineering at the Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. When the trainers came to know about his capability, they encouraged him to climb Mount Everest. Thank you, class. We will continue with question answers tomorrow. So be prepared. Thank you, class.